If your TCS NQT offline assessment is coming soon and you are confused about what actually happens inside the exam center, then watch this video till the end. Because this is a complete real assessment experience shared by one of the students under my guidance. The journey started on 5th April 2026. He received a mail from TCS saying your offline assessment is scheduled on 10th April. But the problem was he was attending another event very far from the TCS ION center, so he couldn't attend the exam. Now this is where something important happened. On 27th of April, he received another mail from TCS. The mail basically said, you are unable to attend the previous assessment. A second chance is being provided. And there was a survey form asking whether he wanted to attend again. He selected yes. Then on 13th May, he received another mail, and this time the assessment was scheduled on 20th May. The location chosen was Mysore, and the reporting time was around 2 pm. He reached the center at around 12:30 pm, much earlier than reporting time, and many students were already standing outside the gate. After some time, the security staff asked everyone to form a line, and this is where the verification process started. They checked Aadhaar card, admit card, name, and date of birth, so make sure everything matches properly. And very importantly, you must carry a printed copy of the admit card and attach a passport size photo to it. Also, do not sign anywhere on the admit card beforehand. They will tell you when to sign during the assessment process. After entering inside, we will go through security scanning, and you are not allowed to carry bags, gadgets, smartwatches, unnecessary items. Only important things like Aadhaar card, admit card, and maybe a pen if needed. Even papers for rough work will be provided there. One good thing is the staff members there help students properly, so don't panic about finding your room or system. They guide you from the entrance itself. After entering the allotted room, your biometric verification will be taken. Then they assign your system. Each computer has a unique number written above it, so check carefully and sit accordingly. Now once the assessment begins, you need to manage time very carefully because sections are timed individually. And one more important thing, during login, your password will be the roll number which is present in your admit card. And you first get sections like verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability. And these sections consume a lot of time if you panic. So solve as fast and accurate as possible. Because once time ends, the system automatically moves to this next section. After aptitude sections, the coding round starts. There were 2 coding questions, one easy and one medium. For the easy coding question, 35 minutes were given. For the medium question, 55 minutes were given. Now here's the important strategy. Don't immediately start typing code. First understand the problem properly. Then write the logic or pseudocode roughly on paper, and after that start coding. And honestly, Python is highly recommended because it has less syntax, fewer lines of code, and faster implementation. So if you are preparing now, focus more on Python coding practice. One more thing students should know. Even if you complete a section early, you still need to wait until the section's timer ends. So don't panic if others are sitting idle. This is completely normal. And overall, the exam was not extremely difficult. The biggest thing is stay calm, managing time, and not panicking. If your basics are clear, you can definitely perform well. If your TCS NQT exam is coming soon, comment TCS, and if you have already attended, share your experience in the comments. It will help others. And if you have doubts regarding the assessment, ask below in the comments. I will help you out. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.